Good morning, children. Today we will study chapter 17, Our Rich Culture. In this chapter, we will study about languages, dances, music, monuments, paintings, handicrafts, and about different things of India. So before starting the chapter, here is given one get set activity. Read the clues, write the names of the states. Here you have to read the clues and you have to fill this exercise in your book. India is rich in art and culture. Indian languages, dresses, dances, music, monuments, paintings, handicrafts, and festivals enrich her culture. Means India is enriched with these things, different things, and India is rich in its art and culture. Now, languages. There are 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India. There are 22 languages in India, different languages. Hindi and English are the official languages. The main official languages are Hindi and English. Most languages are written from left to right. But Kashmiri, Sindhi and Urdu are written from right to left. Means most languages like English, Hindi, we write from left to right. But some languages like Kashmiri, Sindhi and Urdu, we write from right to left. Now about dresses. The people of India wear different dresses. Women wear sari, salwar, kameez, jeans, shirts, skirts and gowns. These are the different dresses worn by Indian women. Men wear jeans, trousers, shirts and t-shirts. In some states, men wear kurta pajama and kurta dhoti. In some states, men wear kurta pajama. Kurta pajama and kurta dhoti are the traditional dresses. Some men also wear turbans of different types, like people of Punjab wear turban. Now about dances. Folk and classical are two types of dances in our country. There are two types of dances, folk dance and classical dance. Folk dance are performed on marriage, birth of a child, festivals, change of seasons and showing and harvesting of crops. Means folk dance mainly performed during marriage, birth of a child and during festivals like Diwali, Holi we dance. Change of seasons, different like summer to winter, winter to summer and showing and harvesting of crops. The classical dances begin in temples. Later, kings encouraged these dances. Means firstly, the origin of classical dances began from the temples. But later, because in early time kings were there, so they encouraged these dances. Some famous classical dances are Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sarmila Vishwas, Mallika Sarabhai and Sonal Mansingh. These are some famous classical dancers of India. So here today we have studied about different languages. 22 languages are there. Hindi and English are official languages. About dresses, men wear different dresses and women wear different dresses. But some dresses are there which are common in man and woman, like shirts, jeans, etc. Dances, there are two types of dances, folk and classical. And Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sharmila Vishwas, Mallika Sarabhai and Sonal Mansingh are some famous classical dancers of India. Read the chapter and do this get set exercise in your book.